Today our new mascot, Happy Shiba Inu, will be joining us. Let's go ahead and delete our default cube and then go to Add and then Image and select Reference. I will be adding a link to the lamp image in the description below. So if you type N, you can open up the transform menu and you're going to want to use these settings. Now go to the Properties panel and click on the icon that looks like an image, and then we're going to change the opacity to 0.3. If we press 1 on the numpad, it'll change it to front orthographic view. So now we're going to go into object mode, select Add, Curve, and then Path. This will place a curve at the point where our 3D cursor is at. We can now begin to shape our curve. It's important when we shape our curve to make sure that the top points and the bottom points are aligned vertically with the top of the reference image and the bottom of it. Use the blue Z-axis line as your guide for aligning these vertically. Because we are shaping our curve against a pretty complex shape, we're going to need to add additional points. To do this, simply click on an endpoint and then type E, and when you move your mouse, you'll see that it'll create additional geometry on your curve. Now we are ready to shape our curve against the reference image. To move a point on the curve, simply click on it and then type G, and then you'll be able to move it freely with your mouse. It's important to understand that when we're shaping this curve, that we're only shaping the left side of the lamp. And then I will introduce to you a really awesome tool called the Spin tool, and that will help us convert this into a 3D mesh. The top of our lampshade is now set up, and now we'll work on the base of the lamp. Continue shaping the base of the lamp and adjusting the points as you go along. Next, we're going to go to our scene collection and locate our reference image and click the icon that looks like an eye to hide it. And now I'm going to introduce to you an awesome tool called the Spin tool. And so this will allow us to select our curve and make a 3D mesh with it. And as you can see from the video, we're just grabbing the handle and spinning it, and now we have our 3D lamp. Yay! Great job, everybody. We did it. That is the end of part 1 of this tutorial, and we will be moving on to part 2 coming up. And so in that video we are going to texture and add color to our lamp so it looks more like what we see in the image that we're modeling. So I'm excited about the second video, and let's continue on with this journey. All right.